On this episode, I'll show you how to create this wintry Thinking of You card using this Value Suite Winter Village metal cutting dies set. I placed my selected building dies on the magnetic mat and placed the purple themed scrapbook paper on top of them. I placed the clear plate on the stack and ran the stack through my Gemini. I removed the stack and separated the cut shapes from the dies, poking out all the little windows. I placed my next group of dies on the cutting stack and placed a strip of green themed paper on top of them. I added the clear plate on the stack, ran the stack through the Gemini, and removed the cut shapes from the dies. I cut a 5.5 by 3 3/4 inches rectangle of blue glitter cardstock. I cut two 5.5 by 3 inch pieces of white cardstock and then used scissors to create snowdrift shapes. I cut yellow glitter cardstock to fill the building's windows, gluing them to the back of each building with tacky glue. I attached the larger snowdrift shape to the blue glitter rectangle, running glue along the lower edge, leaving the upper edge free for the time being. I then glued the smaller snowdrift shape to the larger snowdrift shape with the same technique. I glued 2 buildings to the card between the 2 snowdrifts and 1 building behind the larger snowdrift. I glued the tops of both snowdrifts to secure them. I repeated the process with 3 of the trees. I used a tape runner to attach the scene to a plain white greeting card. I die cut the set stars using yellow glitter cardstock and glued them to the blue glitter sky. I glued the 4th tree to the scene. My middle star looked a little too parallel with the rest of the stars, so I took my tool and just pushed it down about an inch. Finally, I stamped Thinking of You on the card. For a complete list of supplies and tools used in this project, please visit our website.